Hello everyone, I'm Elijah Tylinski, and this is RAM News. Today's trivia question is, what is the average amount of code put into big games? Tomorrow will be the 4th day of Spirit Week. The theme is Soccer Moms and BBQ Dads. Attention seniors, November 3rd, you will attend the Cap and Gown Assembly during 7th period in the RPAC. The Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, known as ASVAB, is a series of subtests designed to help identify skills in a variety of areas. Taking the test can help regardless of plans after high school because it measures aptitudes that are related to success in different jobs as well as training and education programs. It is not a permanent test to suggest they will join the military, but it helps if they want to pursue a military career. More information regarding ASVAB can be found here. NAHS National Arts Honor Society will be painting pumpkins this Thursday, 10/27 in 1 to 10 after school. All NAHS members, please attend this meeting. Starting today, Eastern European Awareness Club, sponsored by Mr. Rednick, will be meeting every Wednesday. Today will be an informational meeting to pick up permission slips and learn more about what the club stands for. If you would like to participate, go to room 5333 and please bring friends, especially if you want to learn more about Slavic countries and their culture. Today's trivia question was, what is the average amount of code put into big games? The answer is approximately 500,000 to 10 million lines. I'm Elijah Tylinski, and that was RAM News. Now enjoy these photos from yesterday's Spirit Day.